These are just random rants from a random dude on the internet and should be treated as such. Protecting your internet activity. Long and the short of it is, make sure that your router is secured. Make sure that you are not using the default password on it. There's a great PDF from this government agency with some tips that I recommend you consider following. Then make sure that your Wi-Fi name is not a cute, unique Wi-Fi name. I don't want to see Smith Family 123 Main Street Wi-Fi. Name it something common, something that if someone looks it up on a system like Weigel, will show up 1,000 times. Cool? Then when it comes to your password, make sure it is a long pass phrase as we discussed in the accounts section. Long pass phrases better than short passwords. Ensure that you don't have random devices on your Wi-Fi. Every so often, jump on in there, see who's connected using the user interface of your router, and make sure you recognize everything. You don't want strangers in your home. You also don't want strange devices on your Wi-Fi. There's also a long 20-minute video I have on how I set up my home network. Feel free to check that one out and look at this diagram, which gives you an idea of how I set things up. Use a VPN whenever feasible. If you can use a software VPN, go ahead. But if you need to make an important call, I would kill the software VPN. That's the app on your phone that connects to the VPN, because it might create some latency or some unreliability that you don't want in the middle of an important phone call. If you're at home, you can use VPN routers. I love putting my Internet of Things devices on a VPN router using an IP address that's 2,000 miles away from where I actually am. Sure, that's not going to stop them from communicating with nearby devices, but it's going to mess with them. It's going to make the data that they're producing a little less valuable in the eyes of the aggregators. I have a ton of tutorials on how to make travel routers so you don't have to buy anything from these companies anymore. You can buy something like a made in the UK Raspberry Pi, turn that into a router that's faster, more powerful, and pretty cool. When you're online, just like with your phone, don't download things that you don't trust. Don't go to shady websites. And for goodness sakes, don't connect to public Wi-Fi if you have unlimited data and 4 or 5G. There's no reason that you need to be connecting to public Wi-Fi if you have nationwide unlimited data coverage.